United States ended up hitting 9% or so. We then saw the Fed step in. They rapidly raised interest rates. They conducted quantitative tightening. And although they did all of that, before the balance sheet started to expand again, we only got inflation down to 6%, according to the official CPI metric. At the same time that they were raising rates and they were conducting all that quantitative tightening, Bitcoin dropped all the way to about $15,000. It now sits almost at $30,000, somewhere in that $28,000, $29,000 range as we record this. Is there something to be said about the fact that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and we can just use Bitcoin as kind of the proxy for the whole space and the price action, all of this quantitative tightening, all of these interest rate raises, and we're still sitting around $30,000, kind of, half or about 40% of where we were at the all-time high? Is that a strong signal for the industry?
I think it's an exceptionally strong signal for the industry. It's like a rope-a-dope boxing match. You have all that quantitative tightening, you have the regulatory pressures, you had all the blowups last year, you had FTX. It would be hard to design a world that was more challenging to crypto than what we've lived through for the last 12 months. Just look at my hair. It's like all turning white. And yet we're at $30,000. $30,000 or near $30,000 is well above the 2017 highs. It's nearly 10x where we were at the bottom of the 2018 lows. It shows that this industry is moving in the right direction. It's here to stay. Again, I'll go back to the thing I said earlier. There's all this short-term negative news. The long-term news is really positive, right? Even from a traditional financial ecosystem, we now have Fidelity offering crypto trading to retail investors. We have Bank of New York custodying or trying to move into custodying crypto. NASDAQ just said it wants to move into. The long-term news is really good, and crypto investors should feel confident that cycle over cycle, we're doing great. I think it's looking like this will be the next big bull market cycle. I think we'll move to new all-time highs. We should feel very confident about where we are. We're in a really strong position.